Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. If you have a wired CarPlay type connector like for your system, this here will give you the ability to go wireless for it. It's very cool. And you can play videos and do other things on the screen. It'll let you do pretty much anything. It's very cool. So what you're given here is the device. So it's a little box here. So this is the little box that's going to control it all. And it will connect up through, I guess through USB right here. That's a USB-C. So USB-C there for the power, and then into your car. And then what that does then is it gives you a remote, so you can control it everything from there, and you can control it just from your phone as well. But let's just see here what we have here. So we connect it all up. So there is a instruction manual you can get, but you can connect it all up, and then it'll give you all your CarPlay and the Android Auto type of stuff. If you want to use Netflix and YouTube, green is CarPlay mode and blue is Android mode. So we are, I don't know which ones we are right now. Let's see, where does it go in? Well, you can't tell on there, but it's gonna be in there somewhere. And then you can do Netflix and YouTube and all sorts of stuff. So you can go to settings, change the Wi-Fi, connect up to your hotspot. That's cool. So it just basically gives you a whole hotspot of stuff. So so your phone becomes your hotspot, and then you're basically just running a little mini computer. That's pretty cool. So then you can do all your regular stuff, and you can just do everything. So you basically get a whole little phone of its own going on the screen. So it's gonna so it'll make your CarPlay, you can either use it for the CarPlay, or you could use it with all the other streaming devices and things as well. That's cool. So while you're parked or something like that, you could be just watching a movie. Very cool for this little device here. Super straightforward and makes sense. And I think you just plug it in. The way those work is you plug it in, and then it just starts showing up on the screen. So very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.